Yay!
What happened?
Rubber shot you and it took me a long time to build your recovery box.
How long was I dead?
It's BFDHA 4 and you died in BFDHA 1B.
What?
Dreer Toppin Cigar got eliminated.
Team Sherwood, get over here now.
Elimination.
Team Sherwood, welcome to your first elimination. We now have prizes at eliminations. The prize today is a rubber duck. You'll get one if you're safe. Traffic light traffic cone, B wires robot plug. RBB and Bush are safe. Here's your ducks.
Cute, I guess.
I love it.
Final 3 time. Only 2 of you are safe. The 2 safe are Arrow and Stickman.
I'm eliminated.
Yes, with 2 votes. Last words.
Barfy, remember me?
Today's challenge is trivia.
So from not blinking to snowball fight to finding limbs and now trivia. Wow, you're a great host.
If you lie, you die.
How the challenge works is answer as many questions as possible. If your team answers wrong, you're UFE.
Go. Time to start. Question 1. What is my name? No one from Season 1 can answer the.
But the answer is C-Phone 9.
C-Phone 9.
Correct. Question 2. What team was UFE in BFDHA 1B?
My Team Lucky.
Correct. Question 3. Who showed up first in BFDHA 1A?
Can.
Wrong. Well, that means Team Cannonball is UFE.
Where am I?